Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Empress Marcy here with another video, and today's video is a fixer upper, and this is the lamp that I fixed just to match this room, to blend in with this room. And if you were here with me from vloggers, you remember this room. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I get this look. All right, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and remember this video is a collaboration with myself and a whole bunch of other YouTubers. All their links are going to be down in my description box down below, so you guys can go and check them out. And this vlogtober was hosted by Sassy Ren, Simply Carla Jones, and Tycoon Am3 NBA. So all their links are going to be in my description, guys. Let's get into the video.
Yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Empress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. Sing.
So guys, this is the lamp that I'm going to try and revamp. I don't know how it's going to turn out. There it is. And I'm also going to try and do an ottoman as well that I have already. I want to try and repaint it and see if it looks good so that I can put some stuff in it. So let's go outside and paint this thing. It's a bit windy out here, guys. So let me see if, you know, I should have bought two. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave these to dry and come back and give them a second coating. But while they're drying, I am going to move on to my ottoman. And this ottoman was Kendra's own. She used to keep her toys and stuff in there, but it kind of have a lot of stains on it, and you know, kids. So what I'm going to do is I am going to spray it with this white paint and see if it looks a little better, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to put inside. So I am just back outside giving the lampshades a second coating. I had to take them off the plastic because they were sticking to the plastic. So yeah, I'm gonna have this table to clean off when I'm done. I know it sucks. So guys, I picked up these decorative beads in Hobby Lobby, and I have this E6000 glue that I'm going to use to glue them to the bottom and the sides of my lamp, and around the rim where the shade is going to be, I'm going to add some there as well. So basically I am just adding the glue. I think it goes faster, so I'm just adding the glue first on the bottom of the lamp, and then I just add them, and I'm adding them in no particular order and just spreading them over so that the color can be evenly distributed. So yeah, I have my little elf Kendra here helping me as well, and as I said before, you can just create your own pattern, and I picked these up in Hobby Lobby. So I am now doing the top, and I have to be using the glue gun instead because the other glue wasn't working up here. They were sliding off before the glue get time to dry. So yeah, I'm just using the glue gun to try to create a pattern around the rim where the lampshade is gonna go. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the finished product in a minute. So it took about 15 minutes for the lamp to dry, the first coating, and then another 15 for the second coating. So it doesn't take a long time to dry, guys. So I'm just gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna show you guys in the room where I'm gonna put it. So if you guys were here with me from vloggers, you would remember this DIY room in the garage. Yes, look at the lamp, it's blending in with everything, and that's exactly what I wanted. And you can see the bottom right there. I don't know if you guys can zoom in the bottom. That's the bottom of it, and I put some around here as well, around the rim of the lamp. So yes, that's my DIY lamp, and it blends in with everything in the room. So you guys remember this too? I'm gonna do it over. I'm still gonna do it over because it wasn't done properly. I didn't use the right glue. So yay. So moving on to the ottoman, we have some slippers that we picked up in Old Navy, and I'm gonna place them in there because we don't wear shoes in our house. We don't allow anyone to wear shoes in the house. So like if we have guests over, we will have some slippers for them to be able to wear on their feet instead of walking on the cold tile. So that's what we're doing now. So initially I wanted something else for this purpose, but for right now I'm gonna just be using this ottoman until I can find what I want, something that suits me better. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you found this video useful, share it with someone and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to go check out my vlogtober friends. All their links will be down in my description box down below. Bye guys, see you tomorrow for another amazing video.